What if I told you that while everyone is chasing the same AI money-making hacks, there are quiet corners of the AI world where very few content creators are stepping in and seeing new ways to make serious money right now with AI. If you don't get on board, you're going to be left behind. But today, I'm pulling back the curtains on 5 of those underrated AI side hustles that are flying under the radar. You'll walk away with actual ideas that you can act on right now. And this has nothing to do with hype. So let's dive right in. Are you ready? Well, the first hustle is the Faceless short form content machine. And I'm talking about short form videos, like the ones on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or even Facebook Reels. But they are all fully AI automated. I'm talking about scripting, voiceover, video editing, done by tools instead of you sitting at your laptop all day and working from scratch. One of the exact models is folks launching Faceless AI content channels and making 6 figures. That's happening right now as we speak. But now the question is, how do you do it? To get started, you pick a niche that hits big, such as motivation, quick facts that you didn't know, history, micro stories, etc. Use an AI tool like ChatGPT for script ideas, and then voiceover using something like 11 Labs or something similar. And then you're going to pick stock footage or AI generated visuals and drop in your brand and upload to your channel. It's as easy as that. Here's why this works. The algorithm loves fresh content. The audience loves quick hits, and you skip hours of human labor. But let me warn you, the space is getting more crowded. So the advantage is you have to get in now, is what I'm saying, while many still chase just ChatGPT prompts. Hustle number 2 is using AI Ghostwriter for experts. Fewer people talk about this one. Experts such as lawyers, consultants, founders, they have goldmine ideas, but zero time to do anything. So what you do is you step in as a ghostwriter, powered by AI, and you do the work for them. Using AI, you can record a 30-minute call, get a transcript, use ChatGPT or a similar tool to draft long-form articles, LinkedIn posts, and reports. Then you polish them, tweak them, polish them, and deliver to your client and charge a premium price. And here's why it works. People will always pay for their time being saved, especially when you sound like an expert and know what you're doing. But what they don't know is that you're the behind-the-scenes content creator using AI. But they don't have to know that, right? Here's what you do. Find 1 to 2 busy professionals in your niche. Offer to become their AI-powered content partner. Build workflow. Record, transcribe, AI, and then create, and then you edit. And then you scale it. They don't have to know what goes on behind the scenes. And most of them don't even care. They really don't. They just want the finished product as long as it's the solution to their needs. All right, let's move on to hustle number 3. And that's Micro-SaaS, SaaS, built via no code plus AI. This one's a bit more of a building mode rather than quick side hustle, but it's seriously underhyped among everyday content creators. You build a small software tool that has one function, powered by AI, and then you charge a monthly subscription fee. You could generate thousands of dollars per month for doing this. Let me give you an example. A tool that takes YouTube video URLs and spits out timestamps and key topics for vloggers who upload a lot. Here's how you do it. Use no-code platforms like Bubble.io or Softr, SOFTR, and others. Tie in AI via API. Launch at a low price. Market to a niche that you understand. Here's why it works. You create once and then you enjoy recurring income. It's also scalable. And here's a pro tip. even though you have your own YouTube channel, you could use this model to build something for other content creators rather than just for yourself. That's leveraging your insider creator experience, if you understand. I hope you're getting some value from this video so far. If you really want to dive deeper, then grab my AI Content Creator Success Prompt Pack Final Edition. The link is in the description below. Grab it right now because it will help you with that hustle. Okay, so hustle number 4 is AI optimized digital products for niche micro markets. This includes digital products like courses, ebooks, templates, you name it. This, as long as it's digital, this hustle is hardly new. But using AI to mass produce them into hyper-specific micro markets, that's where few creators are going. Creating and selling AI-generated courses, training is a legit path. Here's what you do. Pick a micro niche. For example, a social camp travel vlog editing templates or YouTube thumbnail automation for creators. Use AI to generate first draft of course content, worksheets, perhaps even slide decks. You polish, you brand, and you publish via your YouTube channels. Here's why this works. The barrier to entry is low for most content creators like you. The competition is still often pitched in a broad niche, like make money online. You're going in a micro niche. When you target a tight niche, it gives you authority and people will see you as the expert in that micro niche. But here's a heads up though. AI will help make the content faster, but you still need to add your own voice, value, and unique examples. Otherwise, you're going to end up with generic fluff, and you definitely don't want that, right? All right, so hustle number 5 is AI-powered virtual assistants for busy creators or entrepreneurs. This one may be the most underrated, if you ask me, and that is to build chatbots that they call AI assistants for people who hate doing creator admin work. You're a content creator, you have a YouTube channel, and you know the daily grind. Yeah, it's a daily grind. Someone else is a creator as well, but hates editing videos rather, creating thumbnails, scheduling, and responding to basic comments. That's your market because they need your help. Here's what you would do. Offer a service, something like, I will build you a personalized AI chatbot that handles X for your YouTube channel. Maybe it answers common audience questions or logs thumbnails or suggests video topics. There's no code to use, just AI, and you charge a monthly fee. And here's why it works. People will invest in your service if it saves them time or helps them grow their channel. And here's something important to remember. You need to prototype it and show a working example to the people that your clients, your customers, potential customers. Otherwise, it's going to sound abstract and they're not going to understand. All right, so there you have it. 5 lesser seen pathways in the AI hustle world that I believe are still in the early stages, and you can get in before they hit mainstream. If you found one of these ideas sparking a sense of urgency inside of you, please comment below which one you're going to try first. I would love to know that. And hey, if you want me to build a full walkthrough video for one of these hustles to show you which tools stack, workflow, pricing, and launch steps to take, then smash that like button and let me know in the comment section which one that you would like me to do the video about. All right. I'm doing frequent uploads. So in the next video, we're going to drill down into a step-by-step for the highest value, the one that you pick. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next video. And remember to grab my ebook titled AI Content Creator Success Prompt Pack, the final edition. You're going to be glad that you did. Now let's build together. Let's get those side hustles going. Yeah. Rack up the engine See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.